Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by bringing files together and creating a master workbook so your HR processes are centralized. Once done, import CSVs and convert ranges to tables for consistent formulas and filtering. This prevents broken references later. Make sure to set correct data types like date and currency, and freeze the header row to keep context when scrolling. You will also name each sheet clearly: employees, payroll, leave, because consistent names make formulas and macros reliable as you build. You now construct the logic that turns raw data into actionable HR insight. Start with XLOOKUP or index match to fetch employee details reliably. This avoids errors when rows move. Then add helper columns to calculate tenure, prorated salary, and total absences so downstream reports are simple formulas. Once these work, layer conditional formatting to flag low leave balances and data validation to prevent typos. Finally, record a short macro or use Power Query to refresh. You finish by turning calculations into clear reports that decision makers trust. Build pivot tables for headcount by department, turnover, and cost summaries, and add charts for quick visuals. Once the dashboards are set, protect critical sheets, document key formulas, and save version backups so you can revert if needed. If a lookup returns #n/a, first check for extra spaces, mismatched data types, or incorrect named ranges. Often trimming text and unifying formats fixes it immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.